There are some things that should never be sweet, like brisket and pickles. And then there's poutine. You wouldn't think it would make a good dessert unless it's made with cake. You heard me. I'm here at Humber College's baking lab for an advanced tasting of Cake Poutine. It's the latest addition to this year's CNE food.
So people at the CNE should try it because I think it's different. I'm really nervous, but I'm so excited just to see everybody smiling, because that's all I want, right? Is seeing people's happiness through my love for baking.
Natasha Falcioni, a recent Humber grad, is busy at work making enough for 12,000 potential customers. Mix the wet with the dry, bake it, cut the crinkle cake, then dress it up with 3 different gravies.
Just me and my 3 types of cake poutine. The cake is spongy and dense and creamy. Cake poutine, sourced. You cannot go wrong with this. Oh, it is like a fry too. Oh.